Hello everyone! Welcome sa kusina ni Ambo, Lutong Inato. Let's cook healthy, yummy, ginataang gulay. These are the ingredients. We have pork chop cut into small pieces, kalabasa, talong, okra, batong, patatas, carrots, malunggay, at galay. And in the spices, the red onion, ginger, and garlic. Then salt, ground pepper, and vitsin. Then the highlights is the gata or coconut milk. Stay tuned, finish the video until the end. In a pan, maglagay ng Jolly Canola Oil. Then saute the pork and the spices. Then follow the kalabasa. After sa paggisa, maglagay ng water and then let's add the other vegetable. Mikos-mikos and then timplahan ng asin, vitsin, and ground pepper. Mix it all together and then hintayin na maluto ang ating mga gulay. Pagkatapos, ilagay ang pangalawang piga ng coconut milk. Then pakuluin ng 3 minutes and let's add the first piga ng gata. And then lastly, let's add the leafy veggies. Yun, no? Mix again a few minutes and luto na po ang ating ginataang gulay. Yun, sarap-sarap. That's it po. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos sa Ambo Lutong Inato. Bye! Yun.